Welcome to the future. Swisslog is the world's leading manufacturer and service provider of hospital pneumatic tube systems. A pneumatic tube system is a system designed to transport carriers throughout a facility, as well as between buildings. Your healthcare facility has selected a Translogic pneumatic tube system from Swisslog. The Translogic system is designed to transport a wide range of medical items at high speeds, efficiently, reliably, and safely. This video is designed to provide you with simple instruction on the operation of the pneumatic tube system. Instructions are displayed on your IQ panel digital screen. PTS standard stations contain a compartment with printed instructions on cards. Detailed send, receive, and special function instructions can be downloaded and printed from this training resource. Your pneumatic tube system is a computer-controlled transport system. The system includes carriers, sending stations, receiving stations, blowers, transfer units, and a control center. This is a basic transaction through the pneumatic tube system. The product is placed in a clean, durable carrier. The carrier is positioned in a sending station and dispatched to its destination. Blower units provide air vacuum and pressure to speed the carrier through a network of tubing. Switching devices, called transfer units, guide the carriers through the system. Transfer units reroute the carrier through the tubing network. The carrier is deposited into the receiving bin of the destination station. Any station in your system can be used to send and receive carriers. The control center oversees all of the system functions. The control center also electronically tracks the carriers at all times, as well as stores system operation and management data. This system efficiently transports materials at speeds up to 25 feet per second. The system is designed for ease of use. To send an item, place it in an empty carrier. Make sure both latches are secured and place the carrier in the dispatcher. The Station Ready message indicates that the station is ready for carrier dispatch. Locate the destination station on the directory. Key in the station and press the Send button. A message displays indicating the dispatch is accepted. The system control now monitors and reports on the transaction. A transaction can be canceled at any time before the dispatcher begins to move into place. If you make an error, simply press Clear and re-enter your destination. Press Cancel to stop a transaction before the dispatcher begins to move. Do not touch or attempt to remove the carrier once the dispatcher begins to move. When the carrier is dispatched, an incoming carrier message is displayed at the receiving station. Incoming carriers should be removed from receiving bins and contents emptied in a timely manner. Periodically check carriers for excessive wear or damage and report them as required. Stations are equipped with sensors to detect full bins. Remove the carriers to prevent the station from automatically shutting off. Carriers cannot be dispatched or received until the bin is cleared. A Return Surplus Carriers message indicates that carriers are required at other station locations. To return surplus carriers, place them in the dispatcher, enter 0, and press Send. The system will automatically route the carriers to the stations in need. The system displays a variety of system status messages. The display panel will display each message and provide user instructions for each. To prevent carrier dispatch or receive, sign the station off as follows. press the Special Function button, key in 82, and press Enter. A verification message will appear on the operator's panel. To sign the station back on, press Special Function, key in 83, and press Enter. The Sign Station Off special function may not be accessible from your station, controlled instead from the system's central computer. Proper packaging of materials is vital for safe and successful material transport in the system. Improper packaging of liquids can result in leakage during transport. If you detect a leak in the system, immediately contact your maintenance department. The emergency shutdown feature can be assigned to designated stations within your system. To initiate shutdown, press Special Function, key in 91, and press Enter. Then immediately contact your maintenance department. The following information is a supplement to all packaging and infection control procedures dictated by OSHA, CDC, and the hospital where you're working. Please refer to your specific workplace guidelines for work-specific regulations. It is important to use proper packaging within the carrier to immobilize the contents and protect fragile items. Foam padding, small bags, or a combination can be utilized to provide additional protection of sensitive items. Proper packaging also complements infection control procedures. Surround drugs, specimens, and fragile items with ample amounts of padding to secure during transport. Use thinner padding for larger fragile items, such as glass bottles. Carriers can hold 1 or 2 IV bags, depending on system diameter size. Special care should be exercised when preparing laboratory items for transport. OSHA and other regulating agencies require secondary packaging measures to also ensure worker protection. Properly seal all specimen cups and containers before packaging them for transport. This protective pouch is specially designed to provide both secondary containment and immobilization of the specimen within the carrier. Consult your facility's laboratory packaging procedures when necessary. The pneumatic tube system provides several special functions. Transaction tracking verifies that a carrier has reached its destination. Traffic forwarding. This feature allows you to automatically forward carriers to another station should your station be unoccupied for a period of time. Carriers present. Use this special function to update carrier count at your station. Incoming carrier query. This special function reports the number of carriers currently en route to your station. Secure transaction. Use this special function to secure a carrier above the station until an authority code is entered to release the carrier into the bin. Stat transaction. This special function permits assigning top priority delivery to a stat transaction and requires an authority code. Special function information is provided on the station operator's panel. Please refer to your instructions for more detailed step-by-step procedures. Let's review the simple steps of sending a carrier. Load and latch the carrier. Place the carrier in the dispatcher. Enter the destination address. Press Send. This video has presented you with the information for confident and successful use of your computer-operated pneumatic tube system. Always refer to your instruction cards or digital panel for review or for more detailed step-by-step instructions. The Swisslog Translogic Pneumatic Tube System. On the move in healthcare.